Design pattern, one overview. We know that design pattern is that very template, that very solution which has been tested by different object oriented software developers to develop different kinds of softwares. And it is the best practices as developed by the software developers. These design patterns are very much well proven and well tested. So as we are having different kinds of softwares, so different types of design patterns are existing side by side. All these design patterns are having different advantages. So they are smart, generic, well proven, they are simple, they are object oriented, and they are generic in nature. So let us discuss on this overview of design pattern. Design pattern represent the best practices used by experienced object-oriented software developers, and design patterns are solution to general problems that software developers faced during software development. So they are considering those problems which are the generic problems whatever the software developers used to face when they used to go for one software development. These solutions were obtained by trial and error by numerous software developers over a quite substantial period of time. That means for a long period of time, software developers, they are facing these problems. So that's why they are proposed some generic way with the help of which later software developers can overcome those problems, and they need not to go through any trial and error methods. So there are some characteristics of design pattern. They are smart. They are elegant solutions that a novice would not think of immediately. So this is a smarter solution. So one novice software developer, he or she may not get this idea at the beginning. Generic, they are not normally dependent on a specific system type, programming languages, or application domains. They are generic in nature. Obviously, the programming language should be object oriented. So it is not like that the design pattern is only applicable for .NET, design pattern is only applicable for Kotlin or say Java. It is not like that. It is generic in nature. Well proven. They have been identified from real object oriented systems. They are not result or simple paperwork, but they have been successfully tested in several systems, and several systems after getting implemented, they are working fine. So simple, next characteristic property of design pattern is simple. They are usually quite small, involving small number of classes. The complex systems are built using different design patterns and their combinations. It is not like that only one software will have only one design pattern. There may be collection of multiple design patterns in the implementation. And always design pattern tries to make the optimum number of classes are getting used. Reusable, they are documented in such a manner to increase the reusability. We programmers, we developers always believe on this particular thought, that is the reusability. Object oriented, they are built with the basic object oriented mechanisms such as classes, objects, generalization, polymorphism, and etc. So that's why design pattern has become so popular nowadays for the software developers, so that they can develop softwares with the best practices in a well proven way. Thanks for watching this video.